Hi everyone, Tom here again from Smartland. This is the video tour for 5436 Hollywood Avenue in Maple Heights, Ohio. We just got done renovating this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. The market value is $85,000. We already have tenants in place for this one. The rent's going to be $945 a month. So with this property, we completely renovated it. We refinished the existing hardwood floors throughout. We also did new paint. We remodeled the kitchen and the bathroom. We also updated the electrical and the plumbing. So let's just go take a look at the rest of the house. Over here we have the bathroom. We installed a new toilet, a new sink, a new mirror with new lighting. We also installed a new shower fixture and our new flooring as well. So here we are in the kitchen. We refinished the existing cabinets on this side of the kitchen. We also installed some new cabinets on the other side of the kitchen. We installed new countertops. We also put in a new sink. This house actually comes with new stainless steel appliances as well. We also put in our new flooring like we commonly use in the rest of our homes. And we put in a new light fixture as well.